We've had a problem in that we needed to take out the freestanding central heating and hot water boiler and replace it with this beautiful Bosch boiler. But the downside was that we had to utilise what was a cupboard with two doors on the front, which matched everything along there. So Joan was very upset that she had to lose that cupboard. But what we did, we got Tim from Keyworth Joinery to make a cupboard to go into the space where the old boiler was. This cupboard originally had a decorative laminate covering on it like that. We're now going to have a cupboard where the door is going to be painted. That is the door. There is the plinth piece down there. I've got to paint the plinth black, and this door, that's put a coat on the back of the door. The door has now been fitted and it closes nice and gently. So the painted orange door is not a bad match for the decorative laminate that is on the existing doors. That is a finished job with the cupboard fitting nicely into the corner in the position of the original boiler.